Hello and welcome to this video on using jbridge to make 64-bit plugins work with Bananabox. So first of all, I'm going to show you a 64-bit plugin not working in Bananabox, so I can then show you how to make it work. I have the free version of IK Multimedia's Sample Tank 3 installed. Now Sample Tank 3 is only available as a 64-bit plugin. So I've got it installed, and the standalone version of Sample Tank 3 is working. And I've got this raw saw lead patch loaded. And I'd like to use the plugin version to try this sound out in Bananabox. So I've got a song and style loaded here. It's a jazz funk groove with real tracks, bass, drums, and 2 guitars, but it's got a MIDI SuperTracks synth part, and I'd like to try out that raw saw patch playing this synth part. So in Bananabox, I go to VST Synth Settings. Now on the synth track, I'd like to add Sample Tank 3. Now the first time you use any new VST plugin, you have to add it here. Now here are some of my existing 32-bit plugins, including the 32-bit Sample Tank 2, and they reside in Program Files x86. But the 64-bit ones will be in a different location. So Program Files, VST Plugins, and there is Sample Tank 3, which I'll select. But as you see, I'm being told that it's not going to work. But here is a flash message that comes up telling me how I can fix it. So I click on that, which takes me to www.pgmusic.com/jbridge.htm, where I see I can purchase jbridge for $10. So I'll go through the entire process of purchasing jbridge. So I've now purchased jbridge and I'm installing it right now. And that's all I have to do. So now I go back into Bananabox and try the same thing again. VST Synth Settings. On the synth track, I'll add a plugin, and I do the same thing trying to add Sample Tank 3, and now it works. And now I'll try that out. I'll add this raw saw lead patch that I wanted to try out. And I'll press play in Bananabox. And here I have it. And it's working great. And all I had to do was install jbridge, and I didn't have to mess with any other settings. It just automatically works.